Hello everyone, welcome to Data Neurons, Data Science Training Hub. So today I will take you through the overview of data engineering and model building procedure. So prerequisites to become a data science for this course is, here in this course, we are expecting candidates with following basic skills, like basic knowledge on R or Python programming or any other programming language will be preferred. Knowledge on R or Python will help you to conduct data analysis. You will learn a collection of powerful open source tools, including Python, Jupyter Notebooks, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, and many other tools. Okay, mathematics and statistical background. No need to worry about maths part. We will help you in understanding all mathematics behind each machine learning algorithm with practical implementation of those. Okay, and this course has been designed for both freshers as well as experienced candidates. And computer vision is an application where it's in domain where we can use machine learning to leverage the beautiness, and machine learning and AI has more applications in the field of computer vision. For example, face recognition, facial expression recognition. Banking or retail industry, customer behavior, customer segments can be done with statistical model to obtain more insights about each customer. So objective of this course is by the end of the course, you will be able to find a data set, formulate a research questions on it, use the tools and techniques of this course to explore the answers to that questions and share your findings. And through these sessions, through this interactive class, we are going through what is machine learning, learning system model, training and testing, how many algorithms are there, what is the structure for machine learning, learning techniques, applications, and then we'll conclude this demo sessions on data science. The complete course outline has been designed and split into 4 to 5 major phases. In initial phase of training, we'll have introduction to Python and data science, and this session includes teachings of Python programming required for a data scientist. In second phase, we will be explaining you more on Jupyter and NumPy Python tools, which will help you in understanding data analysis phase of data science. Now next, exploring the pandas and matplotlib will take you to the world of visualization, and you will start working with data frame. Using sklearn, which is well known for machine learning, we will teach you each and every parameter of machine learning models, like what are the parameters used in linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machine, artificial neural networks, and many more. So in this, you will learn how to conduct data science by doing data science. That includes knowing how to import data, explore it, analyze it, learn from it, visualize it, and ultimately generate easily shareable reports. Okay, so next part is like, what is machine learning? Okay, there are many definitions over there, so I'll just try to explain you in a very simplest way. It's a branch of artificial intelligence, or you can say it is an application of artificial intelligence. Or with respect to definition, if you go, it's nothing but the primary aim is to allow the computers learn automatically without human intervention. Okay, so next is like learning system model. What are the modules we have? What are the steps we need to take to train a model? The process of training model starts with data pre-processing and splitting pre-processed data into training and testing part. Then selecting an appropriate machine learning algorithm for a given problem statement. After training a model, we feed incoming data, or you can say test data, with same set of attributes which we use during the time of training will be considered to predict the new outcomes or the predictions. Usually, basically, we go with the out of complete data sets, we will take 70% of data for training and remaining 30% of data for testing. The model or we can take data sets into different folds, which we'll be talking in detail in this course. In this course, you will be mastered in both supervised, unsupervised algorithms, and after completion of this course, you will be able to answer all sort of interview questions and will be able to solve real-time machine learning problems. Here, the machine learning algorithms are split into supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Further, this supervised learning is split into classification, regression, and this unsupervised is split into clustering. So each classification algorithm will be explained in detail. What are the prerequisites? What are the assumptions? What is the mathematics behind each algorithm will be explained in detail. And same goes for regression as well as clustering techniques. So in this course, you will be mastered in listed techniques like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, naive Bayes, support vector machine, artificial neural network, k-means clustering, KNN, principal component analysis. Coming to the part of application where we are using machine learning are used in speech recognition and facial recognition, image recognition, or optical character recognitions. There are many more real-time applications. If you talk about PayPal use machine learning algorithms to detect and combat a fraud, and then more than 80% of TV shows what you see on Netflix are found through its recommendation engine, which is a part of machine learning and data science. Machine learning is a fundamental part of the Uber model, and you can do a lot of face recognition applications. So overview, what I'm trying to say in this demonstration is you will come across match part in this. No need to worry of that. We will take care of the math part in easiest. We'll try to explain you in the easiest way so that you'll have a complete understanding how each algorithm is performing, what are the inputs, what are the assumptions for that algorithm. Prior to coming to the part of a model building and algorithm understanding, will take you through the data pre-processing, will teach you Python programming, where we'll be spending some amount of time understanding the Python programming. Once you learn Python programming, we'll take you through some statistical tools where you will be doing some statistical analysis or data analysis. Once you are ready with the data, once you are able to extract some knowledge from the data, you will be ready to build a model. Then we will build a specific, will make you to understand what is supervised, what is unsupervised, what is what are the algorithms you come under supervised, and what are the algorithms come under unsupervised learning. And so we are trying to make it simple, as simple as possible, so that you will learn easily and understand each and every part of data science. Okay, you can reach us through an email at info@dataneurons.com. If you are available any point of time, you can call us, or you can write us a mail for a free demo sessions on a counseling on data science. We'll try to help you out. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for listening.